it is MAK here with a new unboxing video for you. Now, last time we did an unboxing video, we did an epic unboxing with a zip line. So, with this, and I unboxed all my Christmas characters except for Spot. So today we went to Walmart and we found this. Now we got Kylo Ren because they don't have the villains around for very long because everyone buys them. Ready, set, unbox. Now this, when I bought this, I noticed that Kylo Ren, his lightsaber is just the same as in the movie. With those, that it's not a real lightsaber, it looks like lightning bolts inside the lightsaber. So, this is Kylo Ren from the new Star Wars movie, The Force Awakens. He's the villain in the playset, The Force Awakens for Star Wars. That's his lightsaber. As you can see, this is what I was talking about. In the movie, his lightsaber was like a lightning bolt, and you could see, if you look really closely, you could see all those lines imprinted on the lightsaber. So now we're all spinning around. I really like the detail on the cape with the wind. So that is Kylo Ren. We will do a gameplay video probably tomorrow. And I would see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe on my channel. And please leave in the comment section below, what is your favorite character from Star Wars The Force Awakens? Bye!